guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're seeing this face for the very first time. I make beauty and makeup related stuffs on my channel, so if that is what interests you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you what I got in my birthday. As you guys may know that I had my birthday on 5th July and I got quite a few products, so I wanted to share that with you guys. And before starting with the video, I have a quick disclaimer for you guys that I am no way bragging about the products that I got. I am very thankful to the people that have given me these beautiful products that I wanted for a really long time, and there is a surprise gift that I got on my birthday, and if you want to know what I got, then please keep on watching. So starting off, I got two gifts from my little brother this year, and the very first product is this t-shirt right here. So it's quite difficult for me to show you the whole product, but let me just give you a small gist. This is a red t-shirt and it is totally basic. It doesn't really have any kind of print. The only thing it has is this detailing right here, which I really love. So if you spot me anywhere in the street or anywhere, you can always see me wearing basics, and I love basics. Like whenever I go for shopping, I always shop basic t-shirts so that I can style them in a variety of way, and I love basics t-shirt. All my cupboard is full of basic stuff, so he knows me very well, so he got me a very basic t-shirt. So this one is from Bewakoof and it is in the size small, but it is quite big as compared to regular small, as this is a boyfriend size. So in Bewakoof you can get two kind of sizes, that like for small you can get normal small size, and you can also get boyfriend style, in which you can get t-shirt which are a little bit bigger. So you know, it looks good when you tug it into jeans or skirt or anything like that. So I'm really happy about this particular t-shirt. I'm going to use it in a variety of ways. So the next product that my little brother has gave me is this makeup box right here. So this one is a very huge makeup box, and I'm really glad that he got me this one. So there is a small story behind this. Like, I didn't really know that I wanted this product, but he knew that. So the day he ordered this product for me, he told me that he's going to give me something that is very useful for me. So obviously I thought that he's going to give me some makeup products, as I love makeup and I am doing makeup on a day-to-day life. So I asked him that, but he told me no, it's not a makeup product, but it's related to makeup. So I was very anxious that what he's gonna give me. So yeah, he didn't really tell me anything that what he is getting me this year, as he wanted to surprise me with this product, and I love surprises, so he didn't really told me what he got me. So the day I received this order, I was quite surprised at, as the packaging was huge, and I thought that what have he got me. Like, I was so surprised. Then when I opened the box, I was even more surprised. I really love this, and it is huge. You can see it is very big, and he got this in my favorite color ever. He got this in black. He told me that there were a lot of colors available in this particular box, but he got me black, as everybody knows that my love for black is uncomparable to any other colors. My full wardrobe is full of black, so he got me this. And you know, he told me that I have seen you putting makeup everywhere, like you don't really store your makeup nicely. That is why he got me, and I'm so glad that I got this. Now I can store all of my makeup in this, and it has huge space in it. I will be like showing a small clip so that you can see what it has. Also, it has a small mirror inside it, which is even more better. So I'm very happy with this particular gift on my birthday, and I'm very thankful to him that he got me this. Okay, so if you guys want to purchase this particular product right here, I will ask him to give me the link so that I can link it in the description box below, and you can get this product for yourself. The next gift that I got in my birthday is from my dad, and he gave me this particular dress right here. This is from Latin Quarter, and it is a very beautiful mid-length dress. so it's quite difficult for me to show you the entire dress. So if I can find a picture of this particular dress, I will be putting it on the screen right here so you can check it out. I really like this dress. The material is really soft and very pretty. So you know, there is a tradition in my family that in every birthday I get dresses. Like I get 2 to 3 dresses in all my birthday, and this year he got me this, though I didn't go anywhere, like we were stuck at home obviously because of quarantine, but still he got me a dress and I'm really happy with the dress. It has vertical stripes in it, so I am not really a very tall girl, so vertical stripes always helps and it can mimic a really tall body, so I'm really happy about that. And I can really style this particular product in a variety of ways. That is why I'm really happy with this particular gift. So moving on to the next one, I got quite a few products for myself and I wanted to gift myself a really good colorful eyeshadow palette. As you guys may know, I'm all about colors. I love playing with colors, and like on my Instagram you can see a lot of colorful looks. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me there. You can see daily updates of my life. Also you can get to know me a little better. So if you are not following me on Instagram, do follow me there. And I got myself a colorful palette, and you know, I was first contemplating of getting the Morphe James Charles palette, as I really like that palette, but you know, it's quite difficult to get that palette in India, so I didn't really go for that one. I know there's a lot of like Instagram stores that sell that particular product, but you know, I don't really trust them. I don't know that they're authentic or not. Also, like this particular palette is double the price on that store, so why to waste my money on that? So there was a second replacement that I wanted to get, and that is why I got this palette right here. This is the Tammy X Revolution palette, and it has all the shades that I would ever need to create colorful looks. And this palette was in my wish list for a really long time, and I wanted to get this palette forever. You know, there's a backstory behind this. I started my YouTube channel because of Tammy. I follow her from the very first, and she is one of my idol. Like, she makes lot of colorful looks which I love, and I can really resonate myself with her. So I wanted to get this palette the day it launched, but I didn't really managed to get this one. So my birthday was a very good excuse to get this palette, and I got it. So I got this palette from HOK Makeup. It is a makeup website where you can get beautiful deals on Makeup Revolution products and other brands as well. So there was a very good deal that if you buy for rupees 999 products, then you can get rupees 999 product for free. So this one was for 1900, and I got 3 eyeshadows for free. So I got eyeshadows. So I got the Makeup Obsession Live Love London eyeshadow. So these are the 2 shades, and I also have one more shade that I'm showing you guys, which is already broken as I'm using it since I got it. So these are the shades that I got. So all of them were free. This one, like each particular shadows cost for 300 or so, and I got all of them for free. So you know, Hawk Makeup has really good deals. So if you want to buy some good makeup products, you can go in their website and buy them. They have some amazing deals throughout the year. So that is what I got for myself on my birthday. And also I have made a separate video on this particular palette on my channel, and if you haven't yet seen the video, I would link it in the description box below as well as in the I-bar, so you can go and check it out. I did a first impression of this particular palette on my channel. It is there on my channel. You can go and watch it after watching this video. So the very last gift that I got in my birthday was a huge surprise for me. I cannot even express to you guys how much happy I was after I got this on my birthday. And I always wanted a camera for myself once I started doing Instagram and YouTube. And I do have a good phone which I can film with, and I used to film with my phone throughout. Like all of my Instagram photos and videos, also my YouTube videos are shot on my phone. But I have a 64 GB version of phone, so it was quite difficult for me to shoot on a everyday basis. I had to shoot one video and then I have to transfer it to somewhere else, and then I have to shoot another video, and it took so much time. I used to be so much frustrated with that process. So I wanted a camera for myself for a really long time, ever since I started doing YouTube. And my family, my entire family, my mother, my father, as well as my brother, got me a camera on my birthday. And I am so glad that they gave me this. And it was a complete surprise for myself, as I wanted this forever. I didn't really tell them that I wanted, but they got to know somehow and they gave me. The camera that I got is the Canon EOS M200. This is a very good camera for beginners, and it is a mirrorless camera, so it is not really bulky like DSLRs. So initially when my father went to the mall, he wanted to get me a DSLR, but I only insisted him to not get me a DSLR, as it's quite difficult to shoot on a DSLR, and I shoot all of my videos myself, and it's not really handy to use a DSLR in the very first stage. And I'm really habituated of using my phone to shoot my videos. And this particular camera is very good for beginners, as all of the interfaces are somewhat similar to phone, so you can easily learn and use it compared to a DSLR. And also it is very handy as it is a mirrorless camera. I got the creator kit where you can get two lenses, but if you want you can only get one lens as well, so it comes in two variations. So I got the creators kit and it comes with two lenses. So the one that I'm filming right now is the 15 to 45 lens, and it is quite a good lens. And the next one that it have is the 55 to 200 lens. So this one is a much upgraded version of kit lens, and I don't really use it quite often. I just only use it for like micro shots. This gives a very good result if you want to shoot makeup micro shots. And I'm really happy with the kit lens that I'm already using. So I'm already filming with this particular camera right now, so it's not possible for me to show you guys, but I've filmed a separate video for this camera, so I would be giving it on the screen so you can go and check that out. So I am really happy with this camera. Initially I wanted to get the Canon G7X Mark II, as all the YouTubers, all the beauty bloggers rave about this particular camera and everybody uses this camera. But when I got to the mall, they told me that this is a much upgraded version of the Canon G7X and this one will work even better. And so that is why I got it, and I am really glad that I got this camera over that one. This has amazing features in it, and if you want to know what all are the features, then you can go on their website and check. All the features are linked on their website. So yeah, that completes my video on what I got in my birthday, and I'm really happy that I got all these products. And this year was quite different from rest of the years. Like previously I always used to go out with my family, with my friends, and I used to have dinners. And this year was quite different. I had to stay at home because of the quarantine thing and all, but still my family made sure that my birthday went good, and they have planned so beautifully. They have given me such beautiful gifts, which I am very thankful. And before ending this video, I really want to thank all of you guys who wished me on my birthday. Like my DM was flooded with birthday wishes, and I'm so thankful for that. I cannot really thank you enough for all of these birthday wishes that you gave me. Also, some of you guys celebrated my birthday even 1 week prior. Some of you has put countdowns on your stories, which made my day. I cannot really express how much happy I was when I saw you guys doing that for me. Some of you sent me my sketches, which made my day, and I'm so thankful for everything that I got on my birthday. And I cannot really thank you guys enough for being there for me, for helping me in every single step, and for wishing me on my birthday. Thank you so much. And that is all. I would be ending this video right here. And if you guys like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay positive, stay happy. I will see you guys on my next one.